Hello and welcome to this video as we explore NotebookLM's two new features, Infographics and Slide Deck. These new features are in beta testing and can be useful for both teacher and student usage. I'm Kyle Krenz, a Technology Integrationist with SWWC. Through your Google account, you can access NotebookLM. You can find it through easy access of your Google 9 Dots. Once in NotebookLM, you can either access a previously created notebook or create a new notebook. For our purposes of this video, I'll access a previously created notebook. Once in Notebook, you can see on the left-hand side of the screen an area where you can upload your sources into your notebook. You can also search the web for sources that fit your topic or topics. I'm a fan of using content or sources that you already have curated and place them into NotebookLM to generate new content. Once your sources are uploaded, select which sources you want included in your newly generated content by clicking the box next to each source. On the right side of the screen, you will find the studio area of your notebook. Here you can select which type of new content you would like to generate. You will see the new options of Slide Deck and Infographic in this section. First, we will select the Infographic option. Click on that option. It will begin generating in the Output section of the notebook in the bottom right section of the page. Once it is generated, you can click on it, and it will open into a window. In this window, you can share it with others or download the infographic to your computer. From your downloads, you can open and print the infographic or upload it into another platform for viewing. Next, let's look at the Slide Deck option. Click the button in the studio of your notebook. Once clicked, it will take several minutes to generate. NotebookLM is generating a slide deck based upon the information found in your uploaded sources that you've chosen to include. Once generated, you can click on the generated item, and the slide deck in the lower bottom right-hand portion of the screen will open. This will open into a new window. In this new window, you can see the slides that have been generated and share the deck to others, present the slides in full screen mode, or download the slides to your computer. It's important to note that the download will be in a PDF file version. Once downloaded, you can upload to another platform of your choosing. In this video, you've learned about NotebookLM's new features of Slide Deck and Infographic. You can find other helpful tutorial videos like this one by visiting and subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration. Thank you for your time and attention.